everyone. I hope you're all doing well this week. This is yet another report from the Scholar Sports Desk where we keep you up to date on the latest Scholar sports and athletics. My name is John, and here's what will be on the lineup from December 1st to December 6th. Leading off with high school athletics, on Monday, December 1st, the girls' basketball team will be having a home game at 4:30. The following day, Tuesday, December 2nd, cheer will hold a practice in the gym at 7 a.m. On Wednesday, December 3rd, there will be both a girls' basketball away game and a swim meet, each starting at 4:30 p.m., followed by a basketball home game at 5 p.m. Cheer practice will take place again on Thursday, December 4th, at the same time and location as earlier in the week. On Friday, December 5th, there will be a dance residency starting at 12:15 p.m., along with a boys' basketball away game and another swim meet, both beginning at 4:30 p.m. Ending off the week for Scholars High School Athletics, the Bash at the Beach basketball tournament will be held here at Scholars on Sunday, December 6th, starting at 10 a.m. and running until 4 p.m. Moving on to middle school athletics for the week, boys basketball tryouts for 7th graders will begin on Monday, December 1st at 3 p.m. The following day, Tuesday, December 2nd, the girls' volleyball team will host a home game at Middle School 114 at 10 a.m. On Wednesday, December 3rd, 6th grade boys' basketball trials will take place at 3 p.m. And wrapping up the week for Scholars Middle School Athletics, callbacks for the boys' basketball tryouts will be held on Thursday, December 4th, also at 3. That will be all for Scholars Athletics this week. But make sure to stay up to date with the latest information regarding all things Scholar Sports by subscribing to our YouTube channel, checking out psal.org, and looking at our calendar under the school landing page, scholarsnyc.com, so you don't miss out on an opportunity to know when things are happening throughout the Scholar Sports throughout the season. That's it for the sports report this week. I'm John, and I'll see you next time.